Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. So open Facebook and go to the person's profile. So open Facebook and click your profile in the bottom right. Then from here, go to settings and privacy and select settings. Now scroll down and look for block or blocking. So under audience and visibility, select blocking. Then from here, if you want to add someone or to block someone, click add to block list and search for their name in here. Once you find their name, tap on block and tap on block to confirm the action, and that person will be blocked. So, what happens when you block someone? They won't be able to see your post, they won't be able to tag you, send you messages, add you as a friend, and invite you to events or groups. Now, if you're on computer, you can click your profile picture in the top right corner, then just go to settings and privacy, then go to settings, then select blocking under audience and visibility, then just click add to block list and enter the person's name, then click block and confirm. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.